What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Nice, man. We back at it again. I'm in the van, man, the money van, the Lamborghini truck, the Range Rover truck, you know, all that, man. Look, I got a regular caravan, as y'all can see. Take a look at me, man. It's dirty. I know, it's dirty. But hey, I love this van. I make so much money in this van that it is a Lamborghini truck. It is a Rolls Royce truck. It is a Bentley truck. It's just my money machine. That's how I get around. And one of the things I want to tell you is why I love this van, why I love HVAC, and how I got started doing HVAC. Y'all stay tuned.
You know we rolling.
Oh yeah. Alright, bet. So let me play some music.
For a solid career choice, try HVAC. Take home 6 figures a year, yeah, that's the perfect paycheck. We can teach you how to earn your worth with this career track. Come and visit, we'll be here and ready to help. Nice HVAC, nice HVAC, nice HVAC, we've got your back.
Okay, so basically what we got here is a battle of priorities. So pretty much, let's say, hey, look, I'm from Atlanta. I know the cost of living here is not as much as the cost of living in California. So $100,000 to someone in California may not be a lot of money, but $100,000 to someone here in Atlanta may be everything they ever wanted, you know? So I'm finding a middle ground where I can show you that you don't have to accept the $8 an hour job. You don't have to put in overtime to make that $20 an hour. You don't have to go that extra mile just to make pennies on the dollar. What you can do is learn a skilled trade and you can take over the world. I'm telling you from personal experience. That's why I love HVAC, because I don't have to wear a suit and tie. I don't have to have somebody over my shoulder at an office. I don't have to clock in at a certain time. I get to ride around and listen to my music. You know, when the new Gucci come out, when the new when the new Lil Baby come out, when the new Cardi B come out, when the new everything come out, I get to listen to it in the car. I get to go eat food. It's all about time management and the type of person you are, because I don't like corporate jobs anymore. I don't like being in the office structure. That's not me. Not to say I wouldn't do it anymore, but personally I choose to be my own boss. And HVAC, being a contractor, being an independent contractor, you're your own boss. So that's why I love HVAC. That's why I chose it. It makes the most sense, period, to me in my life. Maybe to you in your life it'll be the same.